To identify your iPhone country of origin or check iPhone's manufacturing country. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you the ways on how can you identify your iPhone's country of origin. To determine your iPhone's country of origin, you actually need to check the model number and find the corresponding country's code. For that, you simply want to go ahead and open up your settings, after which you want to go to the general section. When you click on the general section, what next you want to do is locate model number. You can actually go and scroll down a bit and locate it. So the model number will be in the format like A123, such as that. You could see your model number at the top. Then what next you actually want to do is the letter before the slash represents the country's code. So there, for example, if it's double A or it says A/A, the country is A. Now look for a country, you could actually look up the country. Use a source like Apple Support Community to find the country or region associated with your iPhone's code. And that way you'll be able to locate your country's code. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.